In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways how you can factory hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A24 and also 25. We are going to first start if you have full access and everything is normal to your phone. Later in the video, I'll also show you how to do it if your phone is either faulty in some way or it's security locked or with PIN pattern or password of some kind. So the regular and easy way is if you go to settings and scroll basically almost all the way down till it says general management here. And when we scroll down, you can see reset option. Also, if you're not seeing it here, you can also click on about phone. And when you click down, we can see also reset here. Okay, and when we go in these reset menus, it actually provides different options. Actually, on the A24 and A25, they might be worded a bit different. So, but you can reset basically individual settings instead of doing full factory date reset. If you want to delete everything completely from this phone and return it to the factory state, basically, for example, maybe you're selling it, then click this and then click the reset button once you're sure that you want to actually do that. Okay, so what if your phone is faulty or something has happened to it and you can't get access to the settings or it's not working that way? Okay, let's turn off the phone first. And the way we actually boot in the factory reset menu is by pressing the upper button here, upper volume button, and the power button at the same time, and keep holding it basically. Okay, press and hold and keep holding. Ignore these, keep holding, and we were able to boot in the factory menu here. So then with the volume up and volume down buttons, we can cycle to wipe data, factory reset if you want to factory reset, and confirm it with the power button. Then scroll to the factory data reset, and again you can confirm with the power button. Okay, let's cancel and reboot the system now. So what if for example you don't have access to the phone and it's locked with a security of some kind? So when it asks for a PIN code or pattern and you maybe have forgotten it and yeah, I can't log in. So if we try to power it off, basically it's not even possible to do that. So the way you actually power it off and get in that factory menu is by force restarting it, and you do that by holding the volume down button and the power button at the same time for around maybe a bit less than 10 seconds basically. Then as it powers off, we are going to quickly switch to holding the power button and the volume up button. Okay, let's do it. Volume down and power. Ignore this and keep holding basically. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, switch. I'm holding the upper button and the power button now. Okay, and keep holding obviously. Same as previous step basically. And again we get access to the recovery menu and we can obviously reset the phone as I showed in the previous way. So yeah, if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button.